Hey everyone, this is Anson from AnsonAlex.com, and in this video I'm going to provide a basic tutorial for using Wireshark, which is an open source network scanner and monitor that allows you to take a look at all of the traffic and even individual packets that are passing through the. So I'm going to be showing you on a Mac computer, but this runs through X11, so the user interface should look the same whether you're using Wireshark on Mac, Windows, or Linux. So here I am, I have Wireshark installed and opened up on my computer, and I'm just going to go through some basic things here to get us familiar with the user interface, and then we'll start to take a look at some ways that we can look at how people might be trying to hack on our network or are scanning our network, stuff like that. So first off, when you open up Wireshark, the whole goal of Wireshark is to see what's going on your network. So let's take a look at what's going on right now. The first thing that we need to do is tell Wireshark which interface, which network interface that we'd like it to listen to. So over here on the left, we have all of our options. We have our interfaces listed down here, but one way to find out which interface you want to listen to, if you don't already know, is to click on Interface List. And it's going to pop up with a number of different interfaces that you have, and you'll notice that one of mine is actually sending and receiving packets. So that's probably the one that I want to listen to, and in fact it is. It's my wireless network interface on my computer here. So to listen to this interface, I just have the checkbox checked, and I'm just going to click on Start. You'll notice that a new window opens up, and I start to see all of the traffic that's currently happening on my network. So at any time it's going to continue listening, and you can eventually get too much data here in Wireshark. So once you think you have enough information listed and you want to take a closer look, you can just hit this red stop button up here, and it will stop listening to this particular interface. So as you can see, the information that we see can see the time that the packet was received or sent, and we can change how we view time up here in View, and then we can go to Time Display Format, and you can see that you have a number of different options. You can see by default it's seconds since the beginning of capture, but a helpful one is also to use seconds since the previous captured packet, and you have a number of different options here. So that's how you can change that. You can change a number of things here in the View menu. I'm not going to go through all of this in the video. I think you all can take a look at this menu and see what you want to enable and disable, but it's nice to know that it's there for us. But we can see the time, we can see the source, either IP address or MAC address, we can see the destination,
Chill House Mix.
Chill House Mix.
happy home. Was a king, I had a golden throne. Those days ago, memories on the wall. I still hear the songs, the places that I was born. Don't you worry, child. See, heaven's got a plan for you. Don't you worry now. There was a time I met a girl of a different kind. We ruled the world. I thought I'd never lose her outside. We were so young. Think of her now and then. I still hear this song, reminded me of the day.
Рассветом на нас новый день. Все останется в этой вселенной. Все вращает. В этой вселенной возвращается к нам, запуская круги на воде. Ничего не проходит бесследно, ничего не проходит бесследно. Чей-то случайный ход, фатальный поворот. Мы друг друга на этой спирали обретали и снова теряли. И остается нам, холодным городам, просто ждать, когда станет теплее, и дышать ни о чем не жалея. Так пускай наступает холодный рассвет, на нас новый день. Все останется в этой вселенной, все вращается в этой вселенной.
Дарья Ставрович. Okay guys, in this episode I'm going to be showing you the timeline window here and just kind of the basic functions of the timeline window. Really the way the timeline window works here, first of all, when you open up Premiere you're going to notice that there is really no timeline. And to kind of talk about the difference between timeline and sequence, they're essentially kind of used interchangeably, the names are, but really a timeline is this area that you can drop a sequence of clips into, and that's where the word sequence comes from. So you just drop a bunch of like a sequence of clips inside and that inside of your timeline, and that creates a sequence. So essentially they